A very good morning, students. Today we are going to cover two topics in this lecture. The first topic is secondary sexual characters, and second topic, role of hormones in initiating reproductive function. Let's start with the first topic, secondary sexual characters. Students, there are two types of sexual characteristics in human beings. These are classified as primary sexual characteristics and secondary sexual characteristics. Primary sexual characteristics are those sexual characteristics which present at the time of birth, whereas secondary sexual characteristics are those characteristics which help to distinguish the male from the female. And these sexually characteristics that are not directly involved in reproduction, and these characteristics are the result of hormonal changes in the body during puberty. Now, we will study about the secondary sexual characteristic in males or boys. Boys begin to grow facial hair, that is mustache and beard, develop the heavier muscular body and wide shoulders. Enlargement of voice box leads to much deeper voice. Enlargement of Adam's apple. The secondary changes in females or in girls. Shoulders and hips become wider. Matured ovaries start to release a mature ovum. Ovulation and menstruation initiate, and enlargement of mammary gland. Student, now I will talk about two types of sex hormone. First, female sex hormone. Second, male sex hormone. So the secondary sexual characteristics in girls are produced by female sex hormone, and it is called estrogen, and it is made in ovaries, whereas the secondary sexual characteristic in boys are produced by male sex hormone, that is called testosterone, made in testes. Female sex hormone is called estrogen and male sex hormone is called testosterone, and estrogen is secreted by ovaries, whereas testosterone secreted by testes. Now we will talk about hormones. Students, hormones are chemical messenger, and it is produced by the endocrine gland and secreted directly into the blood, and these help in regulating different bodily function such as sleep, appetite, growth, and many more. Now, what is endocrine glands? Hormones are made and secreted by specialized tissue in the body, that is called endocrine glands, and they release hormones directly into the blood and carried throughout the body by blood circulatory system. Hormones act on a specific tissue or a specific organ in the body, that is called target site or target organ. Pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is the part of our endocrine gland or our endocrine system, and its main function is to secrete hormone into bloodstream. In detail about pituitary gland we will study in upcoming lectures. Now our second topic, role of hormones in initiating reproductive function. How hormones initiate reproductive function? So I will explain it step by step. The first step, endocrine gland release hormone directly into the blood and stimulate the male and female reproductive organ, that is testes and ovaries. Testes release testosterone and ovaries release estrogen. After that, they get released into the bloodstream and reaches different body parts, that is known as target site, or the organ to which the hormone is targeted is called the target organ or target site. And the last step, the released hormone stimulate the changes in the body of a child as soon as they reach the age of adolescence. I will explain you through diagram or through flow chart. See, pituitary gland. They release the hormone into blood. After that, release testosterone and estrogen respectively. Testosterone secreted by testes in male, estrogen secreted by ovaries in females, and last, secretion from reproductive organs. And it is also same here, a through flow chart. Hormones from pituitary stimulate testes and ovaries to release testosterone in male and estrogen in female. After that, they release in the bloodstream, reach the part of the body which is called target site, or the organ to which the hormone is targeted is called the target organ or target site. Then the last step, stimulate changes in the body at onset of puberty. Thank you, class, and have a good day.